In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and customize maintenance mode on your Hostinger website builder. This feature is especially handy if you're working on your site behind the scenes and you want to keep things under wraps until everything is just right. It's a simple process, yet it can be incredibly beneficial for both you and your site visitors. First, let's get started by opening up your Hostinger website builder. As you log in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage various aspects of your website. From here, navigate over to the Site Settings tab. It's usually located on the left sidebar, so keep an eye out for it. Once you're in the site settings, you're all set to move on to the next step. Now that you're in the site settings, it's time to activate maintenance mode. This is a great feature when you're busy making improvements or if you haven't launched your site yet. Look for the options that say maintenance mode or coming soon. These are the settings that allow you to temporarily hide your entire website while displaying a simple page to visitors, letting them know that your site is undergoing changes. Toggle the switch to enable this mode, and you're halfway to ensuring a smooth transition while you're making those necessary edits. Next, you'll want to customize the message and design of your maintenance page. This is where you can add a personal touch and maintain communication with your site visitors during this downtime. Maybe you want to include a friendly note or give an estimated timeline for when the site will be live again. Hostinger provides you with easy-to-use options to edit the text, change fonts, and even add your branding elements such as a logo or color scheme. This way your audience won't be left in the dark. They'll appreciate the heads up and the effort you've taken to make even your maintenance page look presentable. After you fine-tune the message and the design to your satisfaction, it's time for the final step: saving and publishing your site in maintenance mode. Double-check your changes to ensure everything looks as you want it to. Once that's done, find the Publish button. This will apply all your changes and make sure that anyone who visits your site sees the maintenance page instead. This maintains professional integrity and keeps visitors informed, all while you can work at your own pace without any pressure. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled and customized the maintenance mode on your Hostinger website builder. Whether it's for a minor tweak or a complete site overhaul, this feature is your reliable friend. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building!